Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. The worst time to discover you don't have a spare inverter board is when one has already failed and a plant is waiting offline. That is the moment every O&M team wants to avoid, because by then, the cost has already started. Most fleets fall into one of two traps. They either overstock spares, tying up capital in inventory that sits untouched for months, or they understock and pay emergency delivery premiums when failures spike. Both are expensive. Overstocking means money sitting on shelves instead of working in the business. Understocking means higher freight costs, rushed procurement, and longer downtime while the team waits for the right part to arrive. The root cause is usually the same. Inventory decisions are based on gut feeling instead of failure rate data. When the fleet grows, intuition stops being enough. You need a model. ClearSpot agents change the way spare parts planning works. They don't just look at what failed last month. They learn your fleet's failure history by model, run hours, and operating environment. That matters because failure risk is not the same across every inverter. A unit running in high heat, dusty conditions, or heavy cycling behavior does not behave like one in a milder site. The agent sees those differences and turns them into forecastable patterns. Instead of treating all spares as generic, it projects failure probabilities per inverter type over the next 30 to 90 days. That means your procurement team stops guessing and starts ordering from a model. The agent evaluates what is installed, what has failed before, what operating conditions are changing, and what replacement parts are likely to be needed soon. Then it suggests optimal stock levels per site and per model. So instead of one generic spare policy for an entire fleet, you get a targeted plan. Site A may need 2 boards on hand. Site B may need a different module mix. Site C may not need anything replenished right now. This is important because spare parts planning is really a balancing act. Every extra board you stock has a carrying cost. Every missing board has a downtime cost. ClearSpot helps you stay in the middle where risk and cost are both controlled. When spare parts align with predicted demand, you reduce both emergency premiums and dead stock. That's where the value compounds. You're not only avoiding expensive overnight shipments, you're also freeing up capital that used to sit idle in inventory. For a 30 MW plus fleet, that becomes meaningful very quickly. A small reduction in excess stock across many sites can unlock a significant amount of working capital, and a small improvement in availability can protect a large amount of revenue. The real win is that the parts are where they need to be before the failure becomes a crisis. That means fewer production losses, fewer emergency procurement calls, and fewer moments where the team is forced to improvise. A small site can sometimes get by on experience alone, but once you're managing a larger fleet, gut feel becomes unreliable. One person remembers a bad month and over-orders. Another person sees low usage and under-orders. A third person bases decisions on one site's performance and applies it to all the others. That's how fleets end up with a warehouse full of the wrong parts and a shortage of the ones that matter most. ClearSpot agents remove that ambiguity. They standardize the decision around real operating data. The result is a repeatable stocking policy instead of a guessing game. And because the model updates as conditions change, the recommendation evolves too. If a site starts running hotter, if a model begins failing more often, or if a component trend shifts, the inventory signal changes with it. Here's the workflow in plain language. First, ClearSpot ingests fleet failure history, operating data, and site conditions. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.